Alright folks, here I got the iRobot Roomba 570 model in the box. I'll show you what it looks like here. I got the quick guide here with some registration, I guess, forms, some accessories you can use. User manual here, owner's manual. Here it looks like inside. We got 570 model here. So what I got here is basically a set of brand new brushes. We also got the command center here. It's not the best condition, but it looks pretty good. So I don't know if you can see to the camera there. So command center here. Your virtual walls, lighthouses. The power supply, as well as the docking station here. So you can see out there. Alright. We got the 570 model right here. Comes also with the brand new side brush and a brand new filter. So here's the faceplate, so you guys will see it's alright condition. There's some scratches, some blemishes, not that deep, but you can see them here. Alright, vacuum bin here, dust bin, and brushes inside. So here it looks like underneath. You got the 3-leg brush on that one. The model number says 570 right there, so pretty good brushes. Last you guys a while. Here, I'll turn it on so you can see it work. Tap it here. You see the bumpers work just fine. That's as long as it needs to be. Alright. And that's it. Thank you for watching.